When I'm working on contracted QP jobs in sites, beyond certification, which is the big key ticket thing that you would expect a QP to do for batch release, quite often I'm doing a whole range of different things, including oversight of the quality system, making sure that there's good judgment on the site, that people's inclusions are well founded, working on training personnel, maybe using some of my experience to enable them to do a better job so they don't have to make the same mistakes I've made. I do quite a bit of work strategically with the company. Frequently there's kind of efficiencies that could be brought to a facility, particularly if they're not so used to running a GME facility, and then they've tried to do everything but they don't really have the time for it. So yeah, those kind of things really help. Also, supporting with inspections, audits, and those kind of things. Very important to do as a contract KP, in addition to batch certification.